Hello, and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate source for enriching your vocabulary and exploring the intricacies of the English language. Today, we're delving into a fun and expressive word, grouch. So, what does a grouch mean in English? Simply put, a grouch is a person who is habitually grumpy, irritable, or in a bad mood. According to the dictionary, a grouch is someone who complains frequently and is often unhappy. It's a term we use to describe those who seem to perpetually wear a frown. Now, let's dive into some synonyms for grouch. We have words like a grump, crank, sourpuss, curmudgeon, and a complainer. Each of these words paints a vivid picture of someone who's not exactly the life of the party. For instance, you might say, "My neighbor is such a grouch, he's always yelling at the kids playing outside." Or, "Don't be a crank, it's just a little rain." These synonyms can add color to your descriptions and help you communicate more precisely. That wraps up our exploration of the word grouch. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more linguistic insights and vocabulary tips from Thesaurus Thrive.